It's a beautiful day. Hey, chimpanzee, bananini. Yeah, what do you want? Huh? Yeah, what do you want? What are you doing here, Sonic? Uh, uh, I'm just, nothing much. Have you seen my chili dogs? I'm sorry, Sonic, but I just don't know what. I need my chili dogs.
Hey, Sonic!
Yeah, what do you want, Bubbles?
Look, I found your chili dog. Here.
Oh, thank you, Bubbles. You know what I'm gonna do with this?
Obviously by eating it, of course.
Well, Bubbles, this isn't a chili dog. This is just a garlic bread. Wait, what? Give me back my chili dog. Yo, Tails. Can, can you just tell Sonic that we have his chili dogs? No, Knuckles. We want it to be a secret. Oh, okay.